Hey, what's going on? This is Tech with AD, and today we are going over some Zee Drive troubleshooting. So, with that being said, this is going to be a real simple solution. There's been times where a lot of my clients, whether they can't access their drives, sometimes drives aren't showing up, and sometimes they'll click a drive. Let's say you might have changed access to certain drives, and they now have access to new users or folders, but it's not showing up after you made the change. So here's a quick, simple solution. First things first, you'll go over here, select this, then you'll select this Z right here. Now, everybody's might look a little bit different, of course. If this shows up, you're fine. Some people have we can recover these files that's this size. What do you want to do? Go ahead and ignore that. What you're going to do next is hit this. Now you won't see all these options on here. I basically have it as a admin user, but what you want to do is go here to shut down and restart Zee Drive. So once you do that, I'll show you what it looks like before too. So if I go to this PC, here go the Zee Drive file. So it's linked up to my OneDrive. Hit this, restart, bring this up, you see it goes away. Then now it's starting up. Usually that does the trick. Yep, now it shows that my Zee Drive is running, blah, blah. I got my map network drives. So now what we see is, the OneDrive folder. So this usually does it. Every time I came across any issues, this was pretty much the solution. That's pretty much all I got, because other than that, if you have anything else, like you might come across that you have too many licenses. I think you only have 3 devices you can install this on. After that, it'll let you know that you need to select a device to remove the license from. But other than that, this is pretty much it. So if you got any questions, just please let me know. Feel free to reach out, comment, share. If you have any suggestions, let me know. I can go over some other topics. But other than that, thank you for tuning in. Catch you later.